In this tutorial, today again I will implement linear regression in price prediction of the Bitcoin. So what will be the prices of the Bitcoin in next 1 day, then 7 day and 1 year. So these are just study purpose, and the main objective is how to implement linear regression for prediction. So let us start. So I have downloaded all necessary files. As you can see, first yfinance. I will download data from Yahoo Finance. So on the basis of that data, I will implement linear regression on that model. So today date has been taken from I will define a date from which till data download be downloaded. Then this is just prediction ASCII. So here you can see Bitcoin data is downloading start here. Okay, so it will BTC USD pair you can change, Ethereum or any coin you can change it. So start date is today date, and start date is this one, 17/1/2018, and end date is today. It has been taken from the system. So let's check, and we compile this cell. So we will check it. Okay, so it has been compiled Bitcoin production. So now the data we can see what kind of data has been downloaded. Here we can copy and paste the Bitcoin, and we'll see, and wait for a few minutes. Okay, again you can check here, no data. So here run it, and we will see the data. The data has been downloaded. 6 column and 2173 rows has been downloaded. The date is from and end date I have decided. I have tell this system. So next I will prepare the data. Just check it, Bitcoin. So this is a preparation of the data. So this is the preparation of the data. I have prepared the data. I will take only the kilos column, what the price of kilos price of the Bitcoin. I have checked. Then this is the my x and y, x train. So xy test size is 0.2. You can increase this test size. It's up to you. There is no need for random defined here. So just test size you can define here, and 0.3, 0.4, 40% data you can also define it. So model I have defined linear regression, x train and y train. I have fitted it. So Bitcoin prediction, and then I will execute it. So I will check what will be the future prices of the Bitcoin. So after executing, you see the tomorrow price will be 42,594, and 7-day prices and 30-day and 1 year prices. So please, this is the just for learning purpose. I will provide a code. You can copy it and paste it and execute it. Don't trust this software. Trust this prediction. But this is just for learning purpose. Thank you very much.